Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the optimize your website. Let's get started. If you have website and you want to your website can be optimized, you have to focus any elements, and the finally of this aim for increasing your quality website, and then many users visit your website, read your content, and if you have or if you sell products or services, your product and your services can be bought by user, and then you get money from your website. And it is very important for you. You have to know the tricks. You have to know the tricks how to optimize your website, because in this area many websites in internet and you have many competitors. You have to compete with to your competitor. If you become the winner, so you will get many advantages, and one of the advantages, you will get much money. In today's digital era, a company website is more than just an online profile. It is the first impression your business makes on potential clients and partners. A well-optimized website not only attracts visitors, but also ensures they stay, explore, and eventually convert into customers. Optimization is not limited to design. It covers performance, security, content, and overall user experience. By applying the right strategies and leveraging tools like Google Analytics, Search Console, and PageSpeed Insight, you can transfer your website into a powerful business asset. Okay, if you have website, you can get money from that website, because before your user buy your product or services, usually the user will check the content. If you have testimony is better and the user will think many criteria. If your user answer to your product, and then they will buy your products or your services. Okay, and if you want to create website, it is very easy. You just buy domain and hosting, and then you put your content into your website. A well-optimized website is the foundation of a strong digital presence. To make your company profile website effective, here are 10 key elements to focus on. Number 1, I will write in here. I will provide 10 key elements to focus, and then finally you can optimize your website. Number one, UI. UX design. UI UX, it means user interface and user experience. Create a user-friendly interface and smooth navigation to enhance customer trust and engagement. UI UX. UI, it means user interface, and you have to care about the typography, layout, information architecture in your website. If you have website with a good design, so this is the first impression for your visitor to explore your website more, and your customer will read content in your website in a long time. Okay, and user experience, it means if you have website, your website has a good quality, has a fast responsive. For example, if your customer open your website, I hope the loading is very fast, because it has impact if your website a long time loading. It makes a not good impression for your visitor. Okay, next, number 2, SEO, search engine optimization. Improve visibility in search results and ensure your site is discoverable by potential client. You also think about the SEO, search engine optimization, and the finally of this SEO, your website can be number one in the Google search. For example, if your visitor write some keyword, and your website can be number one page in Google search. Usually, user will click in the number one page. Okay, usually user will click content website in page number one. And if you have a good quality website, for example, backlink, bounce rate, and anything criteria in SEO, so Google will display your website become page number one. Okay, you have to care about this SEO. SEO also has many tools. For example, yours or Metrank and another tools. You can use that tool SEO to increase your quality SEO. Next, number 3, Google Search Console. Monitor and fix indexing issues, track keyword performance, and improve your site ranking. You also register your website to Google Search Console. If you have registered your website to Google Console, so it makes easy to be indexed by Google. Okay, index, I hope you understand. Indexing, it means Google has received your content. After Google has received your content website, and then your content will be provided by Google to customer. Okay, number 3, Google Search Console. Number 4, Google Analytics. Gain insight into visitor behavior, demographic, and traffic sources to guide better decision. Google Analytics, it has a powerful tools to check your quality. How many visitor see your content, how long time, where is they are from, and anything you can see. All information your user, what the devices they use, what the network they use, what the browser they use. Maybe they use a browser Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and etc. You can see information the user. Okay, next, number 5, page speed insight. Optimize loading speed for better user experience and higher search engine ranking. You can check your quality website using page speed insight. You can see the time of your website, how many times your website can be appeared. If your website has a loading long time, it makes a not good for user. And from page speed, you can get information about that. If you have a not good score from page speed insight, you can optimize your content. You need to compress your image or your video. So if you have website lightly, so it make your website fast loading, not long loading. Okay, number 6, mobile responsive. Ensure your website adapts perfectly to smartphone and tablets, as most users browse on mobile. User access to your website from many devices, maybe from computer, tablet, smartphone, and extra. And you just create your website responsive to any devices. Okay, you have to care about that. Number 7, content optimization. Deliver high quality, relevant, and keyword rich content that attract and retains visitors. You have to create content similar with your theme. Okay, and every day better you write the content updates. If you have the content updates, I think many visitors can see your content. Number 8, security. There are SSL and HTTPS. SSL it means secure socket layer, and HTTPS it means hypertext transfer protocol secure. Protect user data and build trust with a secure encrypted website. If you have a SSL and HTTPS, it means your website has been secure. Especially if your website any process payment, you have this security. Because if you didn't have this security, the hacker can take your data, and it is very dangerous for your customer. Next, number 9, clear call to action or CTA. CTA guide visitor with strong action-oriented prompts like contact us or get started. CTA is very important if you want to take information your customer, for example, name, company's email, number, phone, address, and extra. You can use this CTA for getting data customer. Number 10, regular maintenance and updates. Keep your website fresh, functional, and protected against error and cyber threats. If your website updates every day, I think many visitors visit to your website. I think enough for this explanation. There are 10 key elements that you have to care about this if you want to optimize your website. And the ending of optimizing your website, you will get money more from your website. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time, and goodbye.